In this video, we'll talk about the Realme GT 5 Pro versus Realme GT 5. The Realme GT 5 Pro launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $600, and the Realme GT 5 launched on September 2023 with the price tag of $500. The weight: the Realme GT 5 Pro have 218 grams and the Realme GT 5 205 grams. And the build: the front and back cloth and the aluminium frame. And both mobile come with dual SIM. Let's talk about the display. The display of this mobile is AMOLED display. The size screen is same and the resolution of the screen is 1264 by 2780 pixel Realme GT 5 Pro, and the Realme GT 5 1240 by 2772 pixels, and the PPI density is same. And the refresh rate of this mobile: the Realme GT 5 Pro have 144Hz refresh rate and the Realme GT 5 have 144Hz refresh rate. Screen to body ratio is mostly same. And protection: Realme GT 5 Pro and Realme GT 5 both have Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And the screen brightness is Realme GT 5 Pro 4500 nits peak and the Realme GT 5 1400 nits peak. Let's talk about the camera of these mobiles. Realme GT 5 Pro have triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's also video record 4K 60 fps. And the Realme GT 5 have triple camera setup. Main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and the 2 megapixel micro, and it's also record 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera of these mobiles: Realme GT 5 Pro have 32 megapixel selfie camera and the Realme GT 5 16 megapixel selfie camera. Let's talk about the platform of these mobiles. Realme GT 5 Pro have a octa-core CPU and the Realme GT 5 have octa-core CPU. The Realme GT 5 have Cortex X4 and the Realme GT 5 Cortex X3. And the chipset of these mobiles: Realme GT 5 Pro based on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and the Realme GT 5 Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And the GPU of this mobile: Realme GT 5 Pro Adreno 750 and the Realme GT 5 Adreno 740. And it's also come with Android 14 and 13. And the storage of this mobile: Realme GT 5 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the Realme GT 5 12GB 16GB RAM. It's also come with 1TB storage and not available micro SD card. The battery of this mobile: Realme GT 5 Pro have 5400 mAh battery and the Realme GT 5 5240 mAh battery. And the fast charging of this mobile: Realme GT 5 Pro 100 watt fast charging and the Realme GT 5 240 watt fast charging. The wireless charging: Realme GT 5 Pro have 50 watt wireless charging and Realme GT have not wireless charging available. And both mobiles come with 5G network. And the result of these mobiles: Realme GT 5 Pro got 25 points and the Realme GT 5 got 19 points.